Hello, Bligh team, and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I just wanted to say hello to you all. It's been such a long time since I've seen the majority of you, but I just wanted you to know that we're still all thinking about you. We're all still thinking about your learning, and we're all still thinking about the time when we have you back in school, which will hopefully be soon. So I'm just going to put a little video together just to remind you of some of the things that we're still doing here and to share with you something that I think is going to be really exciting for next week. Okay, children. So in assemblies, there are three things that I normally talk about, and I wouldn't want to disappoint you today, so I'm going to talk about those three things with you now. Those three things are British values, staying safe, and our school values. Starting with British values, never has it been so evident how important our British values are to us at the moment. And you are all showing your British values every day by looking out for others in our community, by being tolerant to one another when you're at home with your mums and dads and your brothers and sisters, understanding that everybody's point of view is really important. We're all showing our responsibility at the moment to stay at home, to stay safe, to make sure we're washing our hands, to protect the NHS, and to protect our doctors and our nurses and the most vulnerable people in our community. I'm sure on a Thursday evening that some of you might be going out and clapping your hands together for key workers, for people who are keeping our country going and keeping our country running, including teaching and school staff as well, who are still coming in and still providing an education to some children. So British values has never been so important, and certainly on the 8th of May, which is next Friday, as a country, we're celebrating something really important, which is VE Day, which stands for Victory in Europe Day. And it's a day when we celebrate and reflect on the end of the Second World War, which finished in 1945. And we think about the sacrifices that people made to give us our liberty, which is another British value. So British values is really important, and we always celebrate and talk about that together. But certainly at the moment, it's a really good opportunity to think about our British values. The second thing that I always talk about with you is staying safe. And certainly at the moment, staying safe online is very, very important. Lots of you will be using Microsoft Teams at the moment to do your learning, and using lots of other websites that might be out there as well. And I always say to you, staying safe online, making sure that you report anything you feel uncomfortable with, making sure you speak to an adult, an appropriate adult, making sure you don't share your personal details online. That's really important at the moment when we're at home and we're maybe not in school, or we're not seeing other people and we are spending more time online. Staying safe is very, very important. And the third thing we always talk about are our school values, which you know are so important to us here at Bligh. Our heart values, our honesty, our resilience, our achievement, our empathy, and our teamwork. They are so important to us. Next week, I'm actually going to do our celebration assembly with the celebration book, and we're going to do it virtually, so we're going to do it a little bit like this using YouTube. So I'm going to ask all of your teachers to keep a really, really close eye on all of the work that you're doing over the next week. And we're going to celebrate and do our celebration assembly like this, which I'm really excited about. Now, we're going to do it on Thursday, because Friday, as I've said to you, next week is VE Day, and it's a day where we won't actually be in school. So I want you to, in your work this week, I want you to try to show honesty. I want you to try to show empathy and caring for others. I want you to show achievement. I want you to show resilience. And I want you to show, where you possibly can, teamwork. And your teachers will be looking out for our school values in your work, in your comments, in the pictures that you might post online. And then we will do the celebration book like this together. Okay, so that's it from me. I hope you have a brilliant week. Remember the things we've talked about, our British values, thinking about next week in terms of the 8th of May, and VE Day. Staying safe, certainly staying safe online, and also our school values and celebration assembly, which we'll do next Thursday. So stay safe, look after one another, be kind to one another, and I'll speak to you very, very soon.